there, water enthusiasts. Ever taken a sip of tap water and thought, "But what am I drinking?" Well, you're not alone. I've been on a mission to find the perfect solution to my water woes, and today we're diving deep into the world of Brita water filters. Over the past few months, I've been living with a Brita filter, and let me tell you, it's been quite the journey. From unexpected challenges to surprising discoveries, I've experienced it all. And now, I'm here to spill the tea, or should I say, pour the water. So, grab your favorite drinking vessel and settle in. Whether you're a hydration hero or just someone tired of grimacing at every sip of tap water, this video is for you. Initial impressions. When I first purchased my Brita pitcher, I was impressed by its sleek design and ease of use. The model I chose was the Brita-style fridge water filter jug, which has a 2.4-litre capacity and fits perfectly in my refrigerator door. Setting it up took only a couple of minutes, and I appreciated the LED smart light that alerts me when the filter needs changing. Filtration performance. The primary reason for using a water filter is, of course, to improve water quality. In this regard, I found the Brita filter to be quite effective. The taste of the filtered water is noticeably better than my tap water. It's softer and less chlorinated, but still retains a distinctive flavor. To get a more objective measure of the filter's performance, I tested the total dissolved solids TDS before and after filtration. My tap water had a TDS of 304, which was reduced to 260 after passing through the Brita filter. While this reduction isn't dramatic, it's a noticeable improvement. Filter lifespan and replacement. Brita recommends changing the filter every 4 weeks or so. In my experience, this timeline is generally accurate, though I found that heavy usage can necessitate more frequent changes. The replacement filters cost around £30 for a pack of 6, which I consider reasonable given their performance. One aspect I particularly appreciate is the filter replacement indicator. It takes the guesswork out of when to change the filter, ensuring I always have clean, fresh-tasting water. Ease of use and maintenance. The Brita pitcher is remarkably user-friendly. Filling it is straightforward, and pouring is smooth and spill-free. I also love that it's dishwasher safe, except for the smart light component, making cleaning a breeze. However, I did encounter one minor issue with the filter installation. It's crucial to give the filter an extra push when installing it to ensure it's fully seated. If not properly installed, unfiltered water can leak around the sides of the filter. Once I figured this out, it hasn't been a problem. Filtration capabilities. Brita offers different types of filters, each with varying capabilities. I opted for the Brita Elite filter, which is certified to reduce over 30 contaminants including lead, mercury, cadmium, benzene, asbestos, and more. It's important to note that while Brita filters can significantly improve water quality, they may not remove all contaminants. For instance, they're not designed to remove bacteria or viruses. Comparison to other brands. While Brita is perhaps the most well-known brand in the water filter market, I was curious about how it stacked up against competitors. In my research, I found that Brita generally performs well in comparisons, especially in terms of taste improvement and chlorine reduction. However, some alternatives like Zero Water claim to provide more thorough filtration. A friend of mine who uses Zero Water mentioned that their tap water, which rated 13 on a TDS test kit after Brita filtration, measured 0 after passing through a Zero Water filter. While I haven't personally verified this, it's an interesting point to consider. Environmental considerations. One aspect I appreciate about Brita is their commitment to sustainability. They've partnered with TerraCycle to make it easy to recycle used filters. Although the program was temporarily paused at the time of my research, Brita typically provides a free shipping label to send back used, dry filters for recycling. This eco-friendly approach aligns with my personal values and makes me feel better about using disposable filters. Potential drawbacks. While my overall experience with Brita has been positive, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Clogging. Like many pitcher-type filters, the Brita filter can be prone to clogging, especially if your tap water has high sediment content. This can reduce filtration speed or even stop it entirely before the filter reaches its full capacity. Bacterial growth. If the filter isn't changed regularly or if the pitcher isn't cleaned properly, there's a risk of bacterial growth. This underscores the importance of following the recommended filter change schedule and maintaining proper hygiene. Limited contaminant removal. While Brita filters are effective against many common contaminants, they may not remove all potentially harmful substances from your water. If you have specific concerns about your water quality, it might be worth getting a professional water test done. Value for money. Considering the improvement in water taste and quality, along with the convenience of having filtered water readily available, I believe Brita offers good value for money. The initial cost of the pitcher is reasonable, and while ongoing filter replacements add to the expense, it's still more economical than buying bottled water. Final thoughts. After several months of use, I'm generally satisfied with my Brita water filter. It has noticeably improved the taste of my tap water and provides peace of mind knowing that it's reducing various contaminants. The convenience of having a pitcher that fits in my fridge door and the easy-to-use design are definite pluses. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. While Brita filters can significantly improve water quality, they're not a miracle solution. They work best when used with already potable water to enhance taste and reduce certain contaminants. For those looking for a simple, effective way to improve their drinking water, I would recommend giving Brita a try. Just remember to change the filters regularly, clean the pitcher as directed, and properly install the filter to get the best results. Ultimately, the choice of water filter depends on your specific needs, water quality, and preferences. While Brita has worked well for me, it's always worth researching and possibly trying different options to find what works best for you and your household.